urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northwestern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Brunswick, or 10 miles northeast of Medina, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Medina, Parma, Cuyahoga Falls, Strongsville, Brunswick, North Royalton, Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Macedonia, Parma Heights, Broadview Heights, Middleburg Heights, Brecksville, Bedford, Seven Hills, Bedford Heights, Hinckley, and Fairlawn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Medina, and Summit.